So life, yeah, that's my grind. Sun comes up, I'm on that time. Riding real, baited and stacked. Hit the flats, yo, what you know for this life? Salt life addiction, it's a mission. Trout, redfish, you already know I'm fishing. Tides rolling in, salt on the skin. Hooked on the water, let the games begin. Wake up early, coffee strong. Check that tide, it won't be long. Wind look like so let's go with the flow. Get on the extreme, yeah, my voice screaming like a vandal. Artificial bait, hooking redfish more than we can handle. You're on the boat with the gold, my brother jamming to all the songs I own. God blessed us with a saltwater soul. Every word we spit, we know.
Alright guys, I am out here with my brother Eric Garcia, and we're at a Red's Bayou this morning, just right out of the neighborhood. And hopefully it's going to be a good day. The wind's down, so that makes it nice. Such a beautiful morning. See a lot of bait jumping here, so we're gonna hang out here for a minute, and then we're gonna make a little run out in the bay and see if we can't see anything moving. Gotta love that sound of those birds, huh? We're just gonna stay. Oh, good, do me a favor. Okay. Let's back to that double hookup. What do you think? Nice. Got him? Yep.
Decent trout. Decent.
There we go. We got that double hookup. There we go. Mine was like right at the boat. Oh, decent trout. Sand trout. Hey, better than the last one you caught, right?
Yep.
Sure enough, sure enough. The world's, oh, spit out. I was gonna say the world's largest 9-inch trout. Did me a favor and just spit himself out. Hey man, this little shrimp don't have nothing left, but it's enough to catch these trout. They hungry. Oh, look, right at the boat. I just dropped it in the water. Seriously, I was just about to cast. That's funny. Thank you, buddy. Okay, well, I guess I'll take you off too. World's fastest catch. Let's see if it, right there. Come on, take it. All right, good. Measure just in case. We always think they're smaller than they really are. We're used to catching redfish. We're all on the trout right here. Just take our time. Our power pole's down. Oh, come on. Little bitty dinks are taking it. There we go. You fought way harder than that hit. Nice.
Yeah, get a little water bubbling up behind us.
Okay.
For a double hookup?
Double hookup right here.
Got that little rod?
Yep, got that on the rod.
Same.
Alright.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Right about there.
There we go. Yes, sir. All right. Oh, I foul hooked it today. It counts. Oh, look at how small that one is.
Watch out.
Foul hooked that sucker.
Watch out. Watch out. Thanks. That's my finger. Appreciate it.
Oh. Come on, take it, dude. I know you're hungry. Come on, take it. Oh, I think I got one. Didn't even know it. That's how small they are right now. Ha. He's a trout. That's good. They're still here.
It's not like that part of the spool.
There, see? Good girl. See, you're getting it. You're getting it. You're getting it. There. The sand trout. You like that, girl? See? Okay. All right. Sandy. There we go. A little slappage. Trout are still there, bro. See, please? Okay.
Hashtag nice day. Hashtag dirty bay, let's go. In the boat with the goat. That's for sure. Now you know. We grinding every day. Now you know. Now you know. We grinding every day. Now you know.
Still on the hook. Still on the hook. Still on the hook.
Know the drill. Hashtag bang.
Fight ain't there for a red and
Still, you're with the go.
you know what this is.
In the boat with the go. Got a low tide. Joe's pumping on his ride.
You know what this is.
Side by side in the dirty bang. We alive. Hashtag dirty bang. Hashtag.
Yeah, you turned yourself big ugly.
Why? It's like it's broken through the rod. Like he's
That sensitive rod.
oh, right.
Yeah, I already. Maybe I ought to get him out longer. Right? He's super sensitive. Well, I'll tell you what, while you're doing that, I guess I'll go ahead and catch a fish and then we'll do a double hookup. Let's see what we get here.
Why can't every gaff top hookup be that easy? Just boop.
Come on, take it, dude. I know you're hungry.
I know you're pinching hungry.
Come on, take it.
I know you're pinching hungry.
I think I got one, didn't even know it. That's how small they are right
Never
now.
a good sign.
There's a trout. That's good. They're still here. See? Good girl. See? You're getting it. You're getting it. You're getting it. Let's think. What is it? What is it, bro? What is it? Trout.
Smallest trout.
Smallest trout in the world, huh? A little bit on the other side of where we're at. Nope, never mind.
Looks long though.
Yeah.
It's not like big.
All right. See, now that's good, Paige. You're staying back.
It's like you learned something.
See? Now. See? Okay, that's it. See? That's how it works, Paisley. You stay back, I catch the fish, I get it off the hook, and then you can lick it, bite it, whatever you want to do. All right, guys, the birds are back this year. This is late September, almost about to be in October, and me and Eric are on some birds. Great times. They're not keepers, but man, we're just back to back, just hook sets. It's nice. There we go. Hey, the shrimp's just jumping right out of the boat. You see that shrimp? He's on top of the water right there. That bird's about to get him. Oh, that shrimp's on top of the water. That's cool. He's just chilling. He's a little small, about that size right here. They're back behind us now. They're everywhere. All right, another fish on. At least they're trout. Eventually we'll catch a keeper. I don't know, we'll see. You've been patient, Paisley. This takes a little bit of discipline here. Come on. Okay. She got her little fix. I got my little fix. We're both happy. I'm gonna do a couple more casts right up here before I start drifting back. Oh, he hit pretty good, but he's small. Get the slime off. It's been nice. I hadn't had no slime on my fingers now, Eric. If I'd have thought about it, I'd have brought my other glove. Alright, our life story. Rain's coming in. Looks like the cool front's coming in. So we're gonna call it a day. Me and Eric caught a buttload of fish today. Yeah. No keepers, but it was fun, man. When the birds are working, we take advantage of it. And we're gonna head back, but hope you had a good time. We sure did. As always, tight lines and God bless.
So life, yeah, that's my grind. Sun comes up, I'm on that time. Riding real, baited and stacked. Hit the flats, yo, what you know for this life? Salt life addiction, it's a mission. Trout, redfish, you already know I'm fishing. Tides rolling in, salt on the skin. Hooked on the water, let the games begin.